Cleansing is a process of removing dirt, makeup, environmental pollutants, oil from your skin. That's just it. Most times when people refer to cleansers, they are referring to face wash. But cleanser is an umbrella term that houses any substance that is used in cleaning the face, including face wash, scrubs, mask, micellar water, are all classified as cleansers. Okay, that being said, let me quickly differentiate between cleansers and soaps. Alright, I have just defined what cleansers are. So what are soaps? Soaps are traditional cleaning baths that are made from mixing fat and oil with an alkali in a process known as saponification. And soaps, the major difference between soap and cleansers is that cleansers are designed for use on the face, while these bar soaps are designed for use on the body. Soaps are not good for your face, and here is why. One, they are highly alkaline. Soap has a pH of 9 to 10. That is very alkaline compared to the pH of your skin that is slightly acidic, 4.5 to 5.5. And so this mismatch always brings about irritation, sensitivity, and dryness. And again, note that the skin on your face is very delicate. Soap contains harsh chemicals, sulfates, detergents, and even fragrance that can irritate your skin. So the skin on your face is very delicate, more delicate than the rest of your body. The rest of the skin on your body can withstand soap, so you can use soap on your body, but do not use soap on your face. Okay, that being said, let us move over to types of cleansers. I already said that some people, when they're referring to cleansers, they're referring to face wash. We have gel cleansers, foaming cleansers, clay cleansers, powder cleansers, cream cleansers. Which one have I forgotten? Oil cleansers, and of course micellar water is part of cleansers. So let's start with foaming cleansers. Foaming cleansers. Before I start, I would like to say that these types of cleansers, they are classified based on their texture. So like the foaming cleansers, these ones that are gel or cream based cleansers that when you mix it with water, it foams. It produces foam. Okay, so that's how the name came about, foam cleansers. They are very good agents for cleaning oily skin, very good for oily skin and combination skin. And the gel cleansers, they are jelly-like in nature, and they are also very good for oily skin and sensitive skin. Clay cleansers contain clay, like bentonite clay. So it contains clay, and this one absorbs toxins, excess toxins and oil from the skin. Oil cleansers, the texture is oily. Those are excellent cleaning agents for removing makeup, sunscreen, serum. They are very good for people who have dry skin, especially if they wear heavy makeup. Oil cleansers are also used in double cleansing as the first step. Cream cleansers, they are thick, they are creamy, rich in oil, designed to clean the face without stripping the skin of its oil. And so they are very good for people with dry skin and sensitive skin. And then powder cleansers are actually powdery in nature. They turn creamy when mixed with water. They usually contain enzymes that help to exfoliate the skin. Most of the time, the type of cleanser is usually written on the bottle if you want to know which type of cleanser you're buying. For example, we have CeraVe foaming cleanser, so you know that is a foaming cleanser. When you pick up a gel cleanser, you'll see it on the bottle, on the container sometimes. So it's by their texture that you shall know them. Now let's look at specific differences between these cleansers. Foaming cleansers and gel cleansers, they are best for oily skin because they are good for oil control. Cream cleansers are best for moisturizing and therefore perfect for dry skin. They provide gentle cleansing. Oil cleansers are perfect for removing makeup and sunscreen, and they are usually the first step in double cleansing. Another thing that you can use in place of oil cleanser is micellar water. It does the same job. Clay and powder cleansers, best for deep cleaning, brightening, and exfoliation. So now we have progressed. By now I know you know your skin type, and now you know the kind of cleanser you should use for that your skin type. Always check the bottle, the information is there. For instance, if you see cleaning oil, that is oil cleanser. Micellar water is always written on the bottle, that is micellar water. Foaming cleanser, gel cleanser, okay, annual brightening powder, I think there is something like that, you know, that is powder. So it is always on the bottle. Next class we are going to look at other forms of cleansers, micellar water, scrub, and face masks. So stay with me. See you in next class. Bye bye.